Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by pouring 2L whole milk into a stainless steel cooker. This conducts heat evenly and prevents scorching. Bring the milk to a vigorous simmer, watching for foam. Stir occasionally to keep temperature uniform. Once it simmers, remove from heat and add 3-4 tablespoon lemon juice or vinegar slowly while stirring. You want the acid to neutralize casein so curds separate cleanly. Doing this off heat prevents overcooking, which keeps curds tender and easier to drain. Once the milk has been acidified, let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes so the curds fully separate and the whey turns pale yellow and clear. This signals complete coagulation. You then pour the curds into a muslin-lined colander, letting whey drain. Save the whey for soups or dough if you like. After initial drainage, rinse the curds under cool, running water to wash away residual acidity and stop further cooking. This keeps the texture neutral and milder in flavor. You now form the muslin bundle and place it on a flat surface inside the cooker lid or a plate. Apply a steady 2 to 4 kg weight so the block compresses evenly. Press for 30 to 60 minutes depending on desired firmness, then chill in the fridge to firm up before slicing. If your paneer is crumbly, press longer with more weight and make sure you didn't over-acidify. A quick fix is to reheat a thin layer with a splash of milk and press again to knit the curds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.